Okay, video number 6. What I've done here, my van build, is got these brackets, L-shaped brackets, that I'm just putting onto my legs. And they're not the proper screws, they're obviously, I forget what you call that, when the screw goes into it. But anyway, that's all I've got, and I'm going to use them. So, it's going to go right into the corner. It's going to hang over a bit. I can cut that off with a hacksaw, obviously screw them in there. Then I'll get a piece of wood, go across diagonally around here somewhere, just cut the ends off it, maybe mark it and cut the ends off, or just keep on, doesn't really matter, not really going to see it. And then I'll do that for the these 3 legs, because I've got this will go on top of that. And in my previous video this was on top, so I've taken the legs off. Now this will be on the bottom, and I put a screw in there and I'll put another one, maybe some glue. Anyway, I need a bit down here as well, so I'll check all that before I finish it off, because I've got to sand it as well, and just get all the bits off so it doesn't stick in my bum when I'm sleeping on it. Anyway, bye for now. Okay, got my legs screwed on. This is video 6. As you can see, there's the brackets. It's a bit rough. Cut these off, trim it all up, trim this bit up here, around the sides there. It's not too bad, but you can see where the pallets are not even. So this one and the one over there have these gaps, but anyway, they're as solid as a rock. The leg by itself, thankfully, that's flat on all sides, so and that's even stronger. So as you can see, I've put loads of screws in it. Put this piece of wood across it, the brackets there. You've got to watch out with this pallet wood. You can see this gap here is a little bit bigger, but it's still as solid as a rock. Pallet wood is a bit soft, so just be careful that when you put your screws in, or your nails, you don't go too close to the edge, otherwise you will get cracks in it. You can see these little cracks starting to come through here, but with a bit of luck it should be okay. I'm not going to be jumping on it at all angles. And it's only a few. This one's okay, the one over there is okay. So now let's turn it over and see what we got. Bye for now. Okay, number 7. So as you can see, I've taken the bulkhead out, which is there. I've got the bed roughly where I want it. I think that's about right. I'm going to have to attach it somehow to there. It's a great height. I didn't really gain much space at the bulkhead, because I'll show you in a second. As you can see, it's a bit rough. It's obviously got to be sanded and finished and sawn off the edges, and there's some screws sticking through, so they've got to be hacksawed off, and obviously all the panelling's got to be done. But anyway, it's the rough outline. Now I've just got to find a way of fixing it to here, and I'm probably going to fix it to this panel here somehow. So I'll get a couple of brackets go under the wood and then attach. It needs to be removable, just in case if I need to take the bed out. So around here. So here, this bit is in line with where the bulkhead went, because I'm going to put a rail and hang a curtain down there, or maybe a board with a hole in it or something like that, some sort of backing. So it comes right to the edge of the seat, as you can see. I will probably eventually change this seat and both and have a swivel in it or something. But anyway, that's fine for now, because it's not set in stone. It is going to be movable. So even in this corner, I will have some sort of bracket where I can just unbolt it and take it out if I need to take the bed out for some reason. This gap here is the same height as the wheel arches, which is 32 centimetres, I think it was. Not 100%. I'm going to tape measures under the van. That's why I dropped it. Yeah, I think it's just over foot and a bit. Anyway, so the boxes will fit under here. Bit of storage at the back. Yeah, so very happy with it. Yeah, my rough outline. It's all clean. That was quite clean. These were good. These were just screws that came out. The screws were these ones here. T40. So if you're looking for just one of them, the size was T40. That size there. So I bought a whole set, but anyway, might be able to use them. But actually I did. I used this one here to take out these little screws, so that when I swept it out, all the rubbish didn't go underneath the paneling. I could get it out and then let's put it back in again. So that was what was that one? T20. So T20 and T40 were the ones I used. But anyway, and then I had one of these. It was just a rivet on both sides. Just chiseled it underneath the washer, and out it came. Very easy. About 3 or 4 bangs of the hammer, and we were done. So as you can see, these need to be cut off. Just trimmed up and sanded out, and then it'll be good. Right, bye for now.